You're looking at machines you can actually buy online. And yes, each one can run a real home business. In this video, I'll break down 25 machines across 5 proven categories, so you know exactly which one fits you. Let's start. 1. Printing and customization business. This business focuses on customizing everyday products for individuals, brands, and events. Orders are usually made per design, allowing you to work on demand without holding large inventory. The business is typically run from home using design software and compact machines. Machines used in this business are 1. Heat press machine. Transfers printed designs onto t-shirts and fabrics using heat and pressure. 2. Mug printing machine. Applies custom images or text onto ceramic mugs through heat transfer. 3. Hat embroidery machine. Stitches logos or designs directly onto caps and headwear. 4. Vinyl cutter machine. Cuts designs from vinyl sheets for stickers, decals, and labels. 5. 3D printer. Produces small custom products like keychains and accessories from digital files. All these machines together could cost around $1,200 to $4,700. Customization businesses rely heavily on design trends and seasonal demand. Orders can slow down when customers aren't actively looking for personalized items. So what if you wanted a business where people buy again and again regardless of trends? Something built around daily consumption. 2. Food and beverage production business. This business centers on producing consumable items that customers purchase regularly. It is often operated from a home kitchen or small workspace and depends on freshness, consistency, and repeat buyers. Machines used in this business. Coffee roasting machine. Roasts raw coffee beans evenly while controlling flavor profiles. Cotton candy machine. Spins heated sugar into edible floss for retail or events. Popcorn machine. Pops kernels using heat and agitation for uniform results. Ice cream or gelato machine. Freezes and churns mixtures into smooth desserts. Juice extractor or cold press machine. Extracts juice while preserving nutrients. Food businesses generate frequent sales, but they also come with short shelf life, regulations, and constant production pressure. What if instead you wanted to sell non-perishable products? Items that last longer, carry higher margins, and can be made on your own schedule. 3. Crafting and hobby manufacturing business. This business focuses on creating handmade or custom physical products. It allows for higher pricing due to craftsmanship and personalization, and it can be operated quietly from a home workshop. Machines used in this business. Laser engraving machine. Engraves designs onto wood, metal, or acrylic using a laser beam. CNC wood carving machine. Cuts and shapes wood automatically based on programmed designs. Candle making machine. Melts and pours wax into molds at controlled temperatures. Soap making machine. Mixes ingredients evenly and forms soap bars or molds. Pottery wheel machine. Spins clay at adjustable speeds for ceramic shaping. Craft businesses create beautiful products, but many makers struggle with presentation and scalability. Even a great product can fail if it looks unprofessional or isn't ready for retail. So how do you turn handmade items into store-ready, brand-worthy products? 4. Packaging and product finishing business. This business supports product sellers by preparing items for sale and shipping. Machines used in this business. Shrink wrap machine. Seals plastic film tightly around products using heat. Bag sealing machine. Heat seals pouches and plastic packaging to prevent leaks. Bottle filling machine. Dispenses precise liquid quantities into containers. Labeling machine. Applies labels evenly and accurately to products. Heat shrink tunnel shrinks packaging sleeves uniformly using hot air. Once products are packaged and ready, another challenge appears: market saturation. Many physical products compete on price alone. What if you could tap into a fast-growing market where customers pay for health, performance, and personal well-being? 5. Home fitness and health product business. This business targets the wellness and self-care market. It can be run through product sales or small-scale services and benefits from long-term consumer demand. Machines used in this business. Massage gun assembly kit, used to assemble percussive therapy devices for muscle recovery. Smoothie or protein shake maker, blends ingredients into nutritional drinks quickly. Mini home gym equipment, provides adjustable resistance training in compact form. Hydroponic growing system, grows microgreens using nutrient-rich water circulation. Aromatherapy, diffuser machine, disperses essential oils using ultrasonic misting. You've now seen how a simple machine, when paired with the right business model, can turn a spare room into a real income stream. None of these ideas require massive teams or factories, just focus, consistency, and the willingness to start. If one category stood out to you, that's not random. That's usually where your skills, budget, and market opportunity align. The next step is understanding which business fits you best and how others are already scaling it successfully. To help with that, click and watch the video on your end screen. I will see you in the next one.